Ever think that sometimes it would be easy just to give up on your dreams? I hear you, I get it. It's not easy. But what you're feeling, that big vision, it's the call of your soul. And it's calling you to a bigger life, a bigger expression of yourself and your fullest, greatest potential. Yes, it might feel easier not to follow that call, but in doing that, you also risk living a life without purpose, feeling unfulfilled. You may reach goals, but they never satisfy you because they don't feed that hunger within you to feel that deep, profound sense of purpose, completion, that you're here doing what you're meant to be doing in this lifetime. And I'm here to tell you that the journey, not always easy, because you are moving beyond the frontiers, the boundaries of safety. Everything that you feel, all that resistance, all that fear, all that doubt, all of it, that's your body, your physical body, your nervous system. It's operating from old programs that have been hardwired in there years ago, maybe even lifetimes ago, centuries ago, ancestral patterning. And it's pulling you back to safety. But you're not stuck with that old rewiring, those old signals. You can change it. You can heal it. This is the powerful work that I share with my clients inside my Quantum Leap in Your Sleep program. And what's really important in all of this is that in this powerful journey of the heart, the soul, you actually fully come to realize your truest potential, what you're capable of achieving. It will feel challenging. It's going to push you because it's pushing you beyond your limits. You're going to come up against your rub of resistance. But having the courage and the strength to still, in spite of the fear, to move beyond it and move forwards, you will see what you're capable of achieving. That resistance is a rub, it's a fear, it's a doubt. And when you connect, once you know how to connect with that version of you, your infinite self that's already crushing those goals in the quantum field, that's the version of you that's been tapping you on the shoulder probably for years, decades even, saying, come over here, do this amazing, wonderful thing. And your physical self is saying, no, I can't possibly do that. Well, you can. And your higher self can show you the fastest, most effective way to get there. Working with your higher self inside the quantum field nightly is the fastest, most effective way to manifest. Because you're merging with that frequency, that energy, the vibration of that higher timeline that you're calling in. You're receiving the genius ideas, the downloads, the roadmap, the blueprint to make it happen. When you wake, you can feel that shift's taking place. But until you actually do the work on your physical body, plug the gaps where you're leaking power, it's going to be hard to hold that those higher frequencies, because your nervous system needs to be reprogrammed, rewired to hold expansion, to feel safe expanding. And this is the powerful work I love to share with my clients. If this is landing or resonating, I'm opening up 11 spots to a beta program, Quantum Leap in Your Sleep, an 8-week group coaching container. I'm so excited for this because it's the most powerful program I've ever created. It's merging all of the modalities that I share: present life, past life, ancestral exploration and healing and clearing, working in the 5D, the quantum realms, working with your higher self, your soul, your ancestors, your guides, to expand beyond the 3D physical reality, expand beyond 4D subconscious clearing, block clearing, to expand into the 5th dimension, to touch the essence of who you are, and to experience your fullest, greatest potential and take action to achieve it. I'd love for you to join me. This is going to be an amazing program. 8 weeks. We're building it alive from the ground up. I'm inviting 11 gorgeous souls to join me. It's going to be amazing, extremely powerful. It's going to show you the fastest way to manifest those gorgeous vision and goals that you have. The more you connect with your higher self, the more you work in the 5D, the quantum field, the more your faith, trust, belief expands, especially as you take action on the downloads that you're receiving, because you begin to understand that you're powerfully supported, and that you can do this. Click the link around this video to find out how to get on the priority list to join and snag one of those coveted 11 spots. Alrighty. Love you. Bye for now.